Hello children, let us learn the fifth lesson. Does it look the same? Part 2. Now, today we are going to see the alphabet symmetry. Alphabet symmetry, it means we know the letters from A to Z. There are 26 letters and we will see how to uh, uh, how to find out the symmetry of the given letters. Suppose if it is given few letters here and you have asked that find out the symmetry of the following letters. So that time we have to see where we have to keep the mirror so that we can get equal parts of the alphabet. Letter is A. In this letter, if we keep a mirror like this vertically, we can get two equal parts of it. So here is a line of symmetry we can draw. We have to think like that. Okay, and draw line of symmetry. Suppose the letter is B. Now, can we draw a line of symmetry vertically so that it is divided by 2? No, here the case is different. Here we have to put a line of symmetry horizontally. How? Horizontally. Then only we can divide this B into equal parts. Okay. Now, the same way, letter E. Here also, we have to see, we have to put the line of symmetry. We cannot put vertically. Okay. So, horizontally only we have to put this way to divide E equally in equal parts. The same way H. Now, here in H, we can draw the line of symmetry vertically so that we can divide it to equal parts. Now, one more thing. Here, we can put a line of symmetry horizontally also. I told you, if it is possible, two or more than line of symmetry also we can put for the later. Now, the next, I. For I, we have to put line of symmetry horizontally. Okay. And suppose if we put vertically, yes, then also it is possible. So that way we have to think for letter M, we will put it vertically. Okay, so that it will be divided into equal parts. For O, vertically to equal parts, then horizontally also equal parts. Okay, for S, we will put vertically. If we put vertically, we cannot divide into equal parts and that is why we have to put it in horizontally so that we can divide in two equal parts. Now T. For T, we cannot give horizontally because at the end there is no like this the horizontal line for T and that is why we cannot divide. So this T only one line of symmetry we can draw and that is vertically. The next U. For U also only one line of symmetry we can draw that is vertical because if we put horizontal we cannot get equal parts. That way to think. Okay. And the next the line of symmetry for V is also vertically. We cannot give horizontal line of symmetry. That way to think about it. Now after this one more question is given to you that which of the above letters are horizontally symmetrical. So horizontally when it is asked the letter 1, B horizontally symmetrical, then E horizontally symmetrical, then letter H horizontally symmetrical, then I, then O, then S. Okay, and these are 6 letters which are horizontally symmetrical. This you have to think. So, next part of it in this lesson, it comes the rotating symmetry. Rotating means what? Do you know rotating means? When the things are rotating. Rotating in halfway or 1/4 way or in 1/3 way. So that we are going to see today, halfway rotation. That is called as a rotational symmetry. Okay. So how it is rotational symmetry. And today we will see only the half part of it, half rotation. Turn. All of you know that. If it is the pane, this is a pane, and if I rotate it this way, so this is called as a half rotation. Now this is only pen, but it is in opposite direction. When the things comes in opposite direction, then it is called as the rotation of half rotation. And it represents as half. An object is said to have rotational symmetry if it looks same after some or by partial turn. So today we will see half rotation. Half rotation, it is also represents as half means 1/2 rotation. You have to think that suppose this is a boy or girl standing here, and when it comes in opposite direction, then it is called as a half rotation. You have to think, remember this figure so that it will be easy for you. In this type of rotation, first question you are going to ask that which of the following figures will look same on turning half turn. Okay, this is the question for you. Okay, and you have to draw the figure when you get the complete figure. Suppose the figure is given a circle and having divided in this way. Now rotate this circle in a halfway like this. Suppose this is a pane, so this is a circle, okay, and turn it in this way. Will you get an exact circle like this? Yes, we will get exact circle after the rotation, half rotation. There will be no difference. Okay? There will be no difference at all. Now, if I take this type of figure, think about it. When I turn this in a half turn, I'll get same figure or not? No. If we turn like this, we will not get the same figure. it will get exactly opposite. This way we will get it. Okay, so this way we have to think. You have to turn it, do it practically so that you will get the correct answer. Suppose next, if next figure is a circle is given and in that circle, which is this sign? This sign represents what? This sign represents, yes, correct, medical, doctor. So when we turn this sign exactly in halfway, think about it. There is no change. There is no change. Because this sign, if we will do like this, also we get the same way. So that you have to think. Next, suppose the figure is like this and turn it in halfway. Yes. Ulta, pulta, exactly this way we will get the figure. Okay, so you have to remember like this. And next, suppose a triangle is given to you and you will get triangle in opposite way. So this you have to remember, when we turn half, we get some figures exactly opposite and some figures we will get as it is after the half turn also. Okay, this much you have to remember. And in the next part we will see few numbers. Which numbers do not change after half turn and which numbers we get same after the half turn only. So this much is only for today. Study well and do well in your exams. Thank you.